Hey there, welcome back. My name is Cam and this is No Fluff Salesforce. Today we're starting step 2, which means we're building. Actually not. First we're going to talk about what we're going to build, which is almost as good as building. So let's get right to it. As you can see on my screen here, we have an opportunity layout and we're going to be looking at this little widget right here. The product we're building is called Product Love. It's a way for the sales reps to give love to the product, to, make their product better. The way it's going to work, or the way I have in mind, if you're familiar with any sort of these like apps where the users of an app can vote on new features, what they want to see, that's essentially what we're building, only native to Salesforce. So you can see right here that we have, like a new feature, the number of votes associated with that. And then we can tie from all the opportunities, the dollar amounts that are in play, meaning opportunities that are not closed. And then we can also get dollar amounts of opportunities that were lost for not having this feature. We can indicate a status for the feature and then a description. So the way it's going to work is the sales rep will be selling to the buyer. The buyer will say, oh, why don't you have this? Or can it do this? And then the sales rep will be, that's actually a pretty good idea. And then they'll search in this search box right here to see if they can find if that feature already exists. If they can't find it, they'll just click on it or click right here and that will add a vote. And in addition to adding a vote, it will take them to this screen right here where the feature name will be right there, the description, and they'll add that particular buyer's story, why they want it. Providing that context to your product team can be really valuable. If they can't find it, these are the ones that obviously this opportunity has already said they liked, and then here's the ones they haven't. If they can't find it, they can click this new button, which will take them to this screen right here. And this screen, they'll enter in a new feature name and description. So like the same stuff. And the idea is that they'll be able to eventually aggregate it into something that might look like this, where it shows, and I kind of, I tried to make it look realistic. So obviously there will be a Product Love app itself with tabs, and in one of these tabs they'll be able to see the requests as well as click on one and maybe drill into that request, seeing the person that submitted it and its status, and then seeing all the stories associated with that. And then they would be able to edit it as well. You see the boxes now around this. This is like the product manager view. We're actually not going to build the product manager view in this series. I don't want to spend too long on the build step. It can go for a long time. So we're just going to do the basics. We're going to set up the objects and fields that we need, and then we're going to build these 3 screens, which is it's basically going to be one screen that can, accept inputs here. And with that, the user of the app should be able to query the data themselves. For now, we're doing an MVP, a minimum viable product. What can we do minimally to, get something out there? Later after I finish the course, I might come back and do this with you guys, build out these pages as well. But honestly, these pages are going to be very similar to what we're going to do right here. And I'm excited to get started with you guys. I hope you guys are excited. I have had this idea brewing in the back of my head for a while now, and I'm so excited to get it out there and share this with you guys, have you guys see exactly how I'm going to do this. Thank you for joining. If this video has helped you, please like it. Please subscribe. Always love new subscribers. If you have a question, hit me up in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.